Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy so far. So today I want to do a shop my stash, creating a winter to spring makeup look, and I'm finally using the Amy Loves collaboration with Adept Cosmetics. And I have already used the face palette before and I absolutely love it. But today I want to use both. And I have already primed my eyelids and my lips as well. So whatever I don't mention in the video, it will be listed in the description box down below. And it may or may not have affiliated links. And you're free to use it if you like. So the first palette I want to take is from Laura Geller. This is the Seasonless Staples palette. And I feel like with this, it doesn't have a transitional shade. Everything is pretty dark, besides this really pretty blue one. But when you see it as a whole, I don't really see much to use for a lighter shade on my crease. So I'm taking this palette and I'm going to take Amethyst as my crease shade right here. And I'll be taking my Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush. Okay, with the same brush, I'm going to take also the same palette. I'm going to take Lilac and put that all over my brow bone just to highlight it real quick. Okay, now we're taking the Amy Loves palette from Adept Cosmetics, and can we just appreciate how beautiful the packaging is? It's so sparkly. It has like multi-dimensional glitters in it, and it's so pretty to look at. So for my crease shade, I'm going to take this one called Mi Amor. This is so cute. I really love the shade names that she picked out. This is for her husband. Oh, so cute. And I'll be taking my Prolux blending brush. I'm just going to put that on my crease. Okay, so for an all-over lid shade, I'm having a hard time choosing between lavender and pink. Just because I feel like lavender is like a beautiful duochrome. It goes from purple to like green, blue. It's so pretty. And then this one is a standard pink shade. That's perfect for like spring. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go with lavender It's so beautiful. It's like a beautiful duochrome. And I'm going to be taking my index finger and just put that all over the lid. Wow, so pretty. I love that when I use the shimmer that everything is completely gone. Absolutely love that. Okay, now for inner corner, I'm taking this shade right here. This one is called Lights Up. And I'm going to be taking my Eco Tools micro smudge brush. This shade is so pretty. I was not expecting for it to have like a duochrome shift. But from what I see like light green to maybe blue. It's so beautiful. Okay, now I'm done using this palette. We're going to switch over to the face palette. And I have used this one already and I absolutely love it. So it's so hard to pick because everything is so beautiful, and when I used it last time I used Eris, right? I think this one's called Eris, as my blush highlighter shade, like 2-in-1, so I think we're gonna go for that. Okay, so just to clarify, I'll be taking Eris right here, only that one. And I'll be taking my Eco Tools Precision Powder Brush. And this one has like a bit of an angle, which is perfect for blush. This blush shade reminds me of Natasha Denona that I've never had before, but I've seen a color that looks like this in a shimmer too. I think it was in her Love collection, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so the last thing I want to take is this one from Victoria's Secret. This is the Pink Mimosa Lip Gloss. I thought this was perfect for like a spring look. And this one has like glitter sparkles in it as well. This one has a really nice fruity flavor. Absolutely love it. Okay, my friends, so this is my finished look. Okay, so mini recap. I just absolutely love this one that Amy did with Adept Cosmetics. It has taken me forever to finally use this palette. I think I've had this for like 2 years, and today is like my first time using it, and I must say I love how my eye look came out. And I hope that the shimmers that I use will last on my eyelids, because sometimes they do crease a little due to my eye texture. Maybe there's like a little bit of oil in there. But so far so good. It looks super sparkly. I don't see any flaws at all. So I am hoping that Adept Cosmetics works well with somewhat oily eyelids that sometimes I have. But the color story is so beautiful. Really, really love the mattes that I played with. This one called Mi Amor. That one is really, really nice. I really liked how it was easy to work with. And for the face palette, I love the colors. This is perfect for like any season. And I really love this one too. This is like a shimmer blush. This one's a beautiful like highlighter shade, and then these are matte blushes, and I can't wait to dip into Cupid. That one is beautiful. I don't think I don't have a color like that. So yeah, those are my thoughts. And Amy, if you ever see this video, thank you so much for making this beautiful collection. I hope that you're on the works of making a part 2 with Adept Cosmetics. I will definitely buy it. Maybe not right away, but definitely like if it's on the radar. I'm definitely adding it to my collection. But I guess we'll see. So may God bless always, my friend. You take good care, be safe, be well. And if you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here in my little community. And I hope to see you on my next video whenever I upload it, which I hope it will be real soon. And for now, I'll say bye.